Welcome to Bird Park and Recreation Center. For Sri Lankan environment lovers and bird lover, the Bird Park in Hanthana must be visited destination. The park, which is home to a large variety of bird species, almost 100 different bird species can be seen in the park. Beautiful gardens surround the park, where visitors can wander while taking in the sight of birds flying around freely in their natural environment. The park is kept up well, and the surrounding natural beauty makes it the perfect place to rest and enjoy while taking in the sights and sounds of nature. The possibility to watch some of the island's rarest bird species is one of the highlights of the bird park in Hanthana.